Hey everybody, it's Nicholas Rogers with the Big Timber Lodge. Coming back at you today with another fun and exciting video where I'm exploring Lapua's rimfire ammunition. And in today's part of the series, we are having a look at Lapua's Center-X 22 long rifle ammunition to see how well it performs in my CZ457 Pro Varmint barrel in action, dropped into an MDT field stock chassis system outfitted with a Chaos Gear Supply Hydra suppressor, a Timney trigger, CZ457 trigger set to 10 ounces, and a Gunner Heimdall, which is a 6-24 optic. And boy, I tell you what, I love this rig. I know that this rifle loves Center-X, and the way that this is going to work is we are going to do 2 5-shot groups at 50 yards on these bottom 2 targets on the paper, and then push it out to 100 yards and do 2 more 5-shot groups with the Center-X, all the while monitoring the velocities with my Athlon Rangecraft chronograph to see what our average feet per second is and also what the standard deviation is. So let's jump right into it. Woo! That did not perform well. Should have done some Fowlers. Better than the first one. I'm not gonna lie, this Lapua Center-X, this is a brand new lot that I'm trying out in my rifle today. And I gotta say, this rifle did not love this lot of Center-X. It didn't perform bad, but the first group was a .9 at 50 yards, and then we shot a .6. However, the third group, which was at 100 yards, did show up with a .5 MOA 5-shot group at 100 yards. Dog, that was awesome. And then, boy, I don't know what happened with the last group at 100 yards, coming in close to 1 MOA, but at a 0.9 and change. And also, too, I will say I was a little surprised with the standard deviation with this lot of Center-X. Normally, it's in the low single digits. And this time, it was like 7, 8, 10, or whatever. And I was just like, what's going on here, right? But anyways, it's still shot great compared to off-the-shelf Bolt 22 ammo. I'm not disappointed in the Center-X. Let me know in the comments below, have you noticed a difference with your Lapua lots, like a difference between one lot to another, where one lot really might work well on your rifle and the other one doesn't? Because this is like the first time this happened to me. And up next, folks, in this series where we're exploring the Lapua rimfire ammunition, the one that I'm super excited for, the Lapua Exact, and I should have that video ready for you right here. So go ahead and click that button, and we will explore how well my CZ457 can handle the Lapua Exact. Now, this is a new lot as well. So in the previous lot, this rifle killed it. I'm really looking forward. So until next time, everybody, peace.